Welcome back to Linux Zero to Expert on 58 AI Bytes, Part 2. That black window with the blinking cursor intimidates everyone at first, and then becomes the tool you can't live without. Today I'll give you the 10 commands you'll use every single day, teach you how to read a prompt, and this is the part nobody shows beginners, the keyboard shortcuts that make the terminal faster than any mouse. By the end of these 6 minutes, the fear is gone permanently. If you're new here, Part 1 shows you how to get Linux running in 10 minutes. Let's type. First, learn to read what's in front of you. The prompt, PREV at web server, :/projects, $, is packed with information. Before the @ who you are. After it, which machine you're on. Vital once you start SSHing into servers, because running a command on the wrong machine is a classic disaster. The tilde means your home folder. And that last character matters most. A $sign means normal user. A hash means root, the super user who can destroy anything. Whenever you feel lost, 3 commands are your GPS. Whoami, hostname, and pwd, who am I, where am I, which folder am I in. Here are the 10 commands that make up 90% of a Linux day. pwd, ls, and cd are navigation. Where am I? What's here? Take me there. Next video is entirely about them. Cat shows a file's content. Less lets you scroll through big ones. And press Q to quit. Everyone gets stuck unless exactly once. CP copies, MV moves or renames, RM deletes. And listen, there is no recycle bin in the terminal. RM is forever. Deer makes folders. Touch makes empty files. Man opens the manual for any command. Man ls explains every option ls has. Don't memorize this list, use it. By video 5, it'll be muscle memory. Now the tricks that separate beginners from people who look like they were born in a terminal. Number 1, and I'm begging you to internalize this, tab autocompletes. Type 3 letters of any command or file name and hit tab, done. Double tab shows all options. This kills typos and doubles your speed on day 1. The up and down arrows walk through your command history. Never retype anything. Ctrl+R searches that history. Type a fragment, and yesterday's monster command reappears. Ctrl+C cancels a stuck or wrong command instantly. And Ctrl+L clears the screen. Watch any senior engineer work. It's tab enter all day long. Now it's your turn. Let's do 60 seconds of real work. Right now, pause and type along. CD tilde takes you home. Dear Linux Lab creates your practice folder. This will be your sandbox for the entire series. CD into it. Touchnotes.txt makes an empty file. Then echo day 1. Terminal, with that angle bracket, writes the text into the file. That arrow is called redirection, and it's a superpower we unlock properly in Part 12. Cat shows you the file. Open man ls, skim what the manual looks like, press Q to quit. And finally type history. Look at that. Your whole journey so far, replayable. That's the terminal's real magic. Everything you do can be repeated, scripted, automated. And that's Part 2. The terminal is officially not scary anymore. Remember, the prompt tells you who, where, and how dangerous you currently are. Respect the hash. 10 commands cover 90% of real work, and the shortcuts, tab, arrows, Ctrl+R, are what make you fast. Keep your Linux Lab folder. We'll use it in every video. Next up, Part 3. The file system, why there's no C drive, what /etc and /var actually mean, and how to fly around directories like you've done it for years. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for the rest of the series, and see you in Part 3.